Alright, so since the ball doesn't want to go out, I had to go walk and film Belle Isle by myself. So I think I deserve this pizza.
My feet hurt.
Whatever, your feet are always hurting.
Welcome back to one more Detroit episode. Today, we started bright and early to hang out in one of our favorite markets. This is a place to get fresh local produce, including some street food, and people watch. The Eastern Market has slowly become a cornerstone of this community since it began in the 1800s.
Did you see the giant zucchini?
I did see the giant zucchinis there.
You should get it.
I should probably get one.
So, when you come here, do venture out beyond the main market area. There are quite a few smaller shops and restaurants all around. Get your conies, barbecue, pasta, or pizza. We're going for pizza.
Darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow.
Alright, so I needed to bring more cash because there's so many fruits and veggies that I wanted to take home, but at least I got my coffee from Beth, and it's really windy. What veggies? We got basil on the pizza.
Yeah, that's a veggie, and then tomato sauce is a fruit.
Whatever, dude. Alright, we're gonna try to go to the park now.
If you're looking for the perfect natural escape, look no further than the jewel of Detroit, Belle Isle Park. It's located in the international waters of the Detroit River, a 2.5 mile long, 982 acre island park. The largest city-owned island park in the US. Not everything in the park was open due to the pandemic, but it's still nice to go around, and it's also a great spot to enjoy the city landscapes of Detroit and Windsor, Canada.
Alright.
Where'd you get that slice from?
Supino.
Supino? Supino's, yeah. I think it's one of the few
Smells good.
one of the few pizzerias where you can just like buy a slice.
Yeah, online too.
Yeah.
Alright, so since the ball doesn't want to go out, I had to go walk and film Belle Isle by myself. So I think I deserve this pizza.
My feet hurt.
Whatever, your feet are always hurting.
I had an excuse, my feet hurt.
Good job, Supino. Nicely done.
Alright, so it's my turn with Supino's slice of pizza. It reminds me of kind of like a New York style because it's very thin. It actually reminds me of Monster's Pizza down in Añasco, so hopefully it tastes just as good or even better. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's one of those saucy pizzas. I like it. You can taste the basil, obviously, because there's big chunks of basil. But I like that flavor combination. It's like the cheese, everything's like thin, but you can taste all the elements together. So that makes it really good. And I bet this got to be great, like fresh out of the oven. But I'm gonna take another bite before I give it back to Marie.
One more stop, Carhartt. Born in Detroit in 1889 and reborn in 2015. This is a 5th generation family run company and one of my favorite new brands since Luke Cage traded hoodies with the Method Man.
In the darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go?
Well, say something about your favorite store. You're wearing the right thing.
Well, yeah, I only recently got it. Might as well check it out, right?
Yeah. Ha, your favorite.
Alright. have one of those shirts.
Yeah, you're wearing it. You have two.
No, I have one of those shirts. It's a nice, well-made shirt. I like it. It's a heavy cotton.
Fight to live, fight.
Their new home on 5800 Cass Avenue was once home to a car dealership called Marmon Motors. Now it's their flagship store and an ode to Detroit's hard work. Their brand is stronger than ever.
Looking for soul.
We have really enjoyed our time here in Detroit, and if you've missed any of our videos, we'll leave a link down below. Now, let's finish strong with a local ice cream shop that has become quite popular for their all-natural concept, Cold Truth.
There's nowhere to go.
I'm trying to figure out the special right now.
Yeah, awesome.
Have you ever had our ice cream before?
No, this is gonna be our first time actually.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
So this is what we do. Soft serve made from real food.
Awesome.
I
Thank
think
you.
we're the only ones in the Midwest that do that.
Yeah.
It seems like all of our trips end up with ice cream. And that's fine with me, you know. You were
Yes.
talking to, was it the owner?
I don't know. I know that he was grilling peaches out, and I was like, "Hey, would it be cool if I recorded you grilling?" He's like, "Yeah, sure, no problem." And he was actually taking pictures of this specific ice cream. He's like, "Hey, man, I just created this sundae. I'm like, ooh, that's awesome. I want to get one of these." And he's like, "Hey, you want to get this one?" I was like, "Yeah, sure." So got one made by somebody from the Cold Truth. He's probably the owner. So specially made. Bam.
And I got the lavender chocolate.
Oh wow, this is really good.
Yeah. And then I think this chocolate is called something Blue Moon topping. So I got the Blue Moon topping. Switching.
So let's try this chocolate because I'm, a big chocolate fan.
Mmm. This is so good. I think I like yours better.
This is weird
Why is weird?
because it's chocolate and then it has a floral flavor. This is weird.
I like it.
It's it takes some getting used to. So yeah, these ice creams use natural ingredients. They're very good, very simple. So none of that stuff of an ingredient list where you can't read the stuff on there. And they're really good. I like them.
I actually like their name. It's Cold Truth.
Yeah, cold hard truth, or the cold creamy truth.
Anyway guys, and on that sweet note, I think that's gonna be it for this video. We hope you enjoyed this little tour here in Detroit, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah, and as always, thank you so much for watching.
And see you
in the next one. Bye.